Miniature unboxing videos are taking over social media right now, and it's easy to see why. These videos are no longer limited to miniature sports cars. Miniature motorcycles, fighter jets, construction vehicles, supercars, military vehicles, and all kinds of detailed die-cast models are generating millions of views across Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Just take a look at, after uploading this style of miniature unboxing video, the creator gained over 9,000 followers. That alone shows how much potential this niche has right now. The best part? You don't need expensive software or professional editing skills to create them. In this video, I'll show you my complete workflow for creating realistic miniature unboxing videos for free using ChatGPT and Google Flow. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need is my miniature vehicle unboxing master prompt. I've linked it in the description and pinned comment below. This prompt saves a huge amount of time because it automatically generates creative miniature vehicle ideas and detailed video prompts. Once you've copied the entire prompt, open ChatGPT and paste it into the chat. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 different miniature vehicle unboxing ideas. If none of them match what you're looking for, simply type more, and ChatGPT will instantly generate another batch of ideas until you find one you like. For this tutorial, I'm selecting idea number 4. As soon as I enter 4, ChatGPT creates a complete cinematic prompt designed specifically for a realistic miniature unboxing video. Today, I'm creating a collection featuring a BMW M4, a miniature fighter jet, and several other detailed die-cast vehicles. Copy the generated prompt because we'll use it in the next step. Now open Google Flow, switch to video generation, choose the Omni Flash model, paste your prompt into the prompt box, and click generate. After about a minute, your first AI-generated video will be ready. Take a look at the result. The miniature BMW M4 features realistic reflections, smooth camera movement, detailed materials, and satisfying macro close-up shots that make the unboxing feel incredibly premium. Download the video using the highest resolution available. Next, repeat the exact same process using another prompt from ChatGPT. This time, generate a miniature fighter jet unboxing. Again, paste the prompt into Google Flow, generate the video, and within another minute, you'll have a second cinematic clip ready to use. The fighter jet looks fantastic with detailed textures, smooth lighting, realistic materials, and satisfying ASMR-style unboxing moments. You can repeat this workflow to create supercars, fighter jets, aircraft, and many more miniature vehicles. The possibilities are practically endless, which means you can keep creating fresh content without running out of ideas.
If you enjoy discovering viral AI content ideas and practical AI workflows, make sure to subscribe to Nexulix AI so you don't miss future tutorials packed with new opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.